Dear friends, hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily quit group chat in Snapchat app. But before starting the video, please don't forget to put your likes. Also, subscribe to the channel and write your comments. So, let's get started. Open the Snapchat app please on your device. After that, at the bottom go to the Chats option, and then at the top, tap Groups and select the group chat you would like to quit. After that, at the top, please tap on the name of the chat. Then at the top right-click on the three dots and select Leave Group. Please confirm your action. In this way, you will leave the group on Snapchat. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. See you soon.